Everyone says AI can make you rich, but is that actually true? I wanted to find out. So I gave myself 1 week, zero budget, and access to a few free AI tools. My goal was simple: turn prompts and creativity into real money. No paid ads, no followers, no camera, no team. Just me, my laptop, and AI. I started on Fiverr and Reddit, offering AI-generated product descriptions and social media captions. ChatGPT handled the writing. I just adjusted the tone. This made me my first $35. Next, I tried video creation using Pictory to turn blog posts into videos, and ElevenLabs for AI voiceovers. I sold 2 videos, earning $55. The workflow was surprisingly fast. Day 5 was a total flop. I tried selling AI art on Etsy and KREA, but made 0 sales. I learned that AI art needs to solve a real need, like logos or book covers, not just be random fantasy art. My surprise win came on day 6. I used ChatGPT and Canva to create Instagram quote carousels for motivational pages. I sold 4 bundles for $42, almost effortlessly. It worked because it solved a constant pain point: daily content. At the end of the challenge, I'd made $132 in total using only free or low-cost AI tools with about 8 hours of work. The key lessons were that service beats novelty, and a repeatable workflow is crucial. So can you make money with AI? Absolutely. It might not be millions overnight, but it's steady, repeatable income. Grab my free AI Hustle Starter Guide to begin your journey.